Hey guys, so this is unboxing Moto G10 Power. I just got this for my mom, and I saw the review that it has a good camera quality, but let us see. So we have here a 6000 mAh battery and 64 GB built-in storage, 48 megapixel quad camera system with night vision. It's a bluish shade, and with the box we get the manual, and then we have this power charger, which is a USB port, and then we have the cable for charging and also for transferring data. I guess that's it. So let us start. I hope it has a good amount of battery to start right now. Yeah, so that's our new Motorola logo. If you see the screen, I think it looks good. The screen, it looks good. The size of the screen is quite big, I guess. It's around 16.52 into 7.52 centimeters. Yeah, the touch also feels fine. And we have to do the setup. And yep, the phone is on. So it looks good. Let us see the camera. The camera wise, the quality is not that great as mentioned in the feature. It has a 48 megapixel, but I don't see the clarity. And then I guess this phone will be suitable for the people who don't use much for gaming, or probably not much into vlog or social media. So it's a good handy phone with a good price.